Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be going through a short but relaxing yoga sequence you can do in your bed. This is perfect to do before going to sleep. So go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. Make sure you have a pillow or two handy nearby. Now take a few normal breaths here, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Bringing your awareness into the space. Relaxing your body, taking a few more deep breaths. And once you are ready, inhale, reach the arms up overhead, and then exhale, planting the right arm down, left arm comes up and over. Coming back through your center, dropping the left arm this time, and bringing the right bicep to ear, keeping the sit bones grounded, and your gaze is soft. One more time on each side, bringing the right arm back down. And then again placing the left arm down, reaching the right arm over. Now coming back to a neutral spine. Using our right hand, wrapping it across the body, bending the elbow, and gently massaging the left traps. So kneading the muscle in between the neck and your shoulder. And gently working your way down onto the shoulders, the deltoid, massaging the arm, the biceps, and then moving down to the forearms, massaging the wrists, and then working into the palm of the hands. Now switching sides, so using the left hand to massage the right trap. Working out any tension or tightness. Moving down to the shoulder, the arm, and the forearm, and the wrists. Using your left thumb to massage the palm of the hands. Very good. Now coming back to the center position, now we will inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky, interlacing all of our fingers, bending seated cats and cows. So drawing the fists away from the body and then reaching the fist back up. So inhale, reach the fingers high, and then exhale round through the spine, drawing the chin to the chest. Inhale, reach the arms up a few more times at your own pace. Beautiful. And then release the fingers, bringing the hands back down. Now let's come into a Baddha Konasana, bringing the soles of your feet together and then gently massaging the arches of your feet, pressing the thumbs into the outer edges, working your way up to the ankles, the shins, then moving on to the thighs, the hip creases, and then grabbing a pillow nearby, placing it long ways on top of the feet. Readjusting your seat bones here if you need to. And then, once you are ready, finding a forward fold. Placing your right ear on top of your pillow, gazing towards the left side. Gentle breathing and coming back to your breath. Now let's switching your gaze, bringing the left ear on top of the pillow and focusing on your inhales and your exhales. Just relax in this position. Now slowly make your way back up, coming into a child's pose, drawing the knees together, big toes touch. Keeping the pillow long ways and then forward folding, placing the right ear on top of the pillow, allowing your body to sink into the prop. And then switching your gaze, bringing the left ear on top of the pillow. And let's relax. One more breath here. And once you are ready, slowly making your way back up, moving the pillow to the side, and then make your way onto your back. Hug your knees into your chest, wrap your arms around your shins, and gently rock from side to side. Now bring the feet back down, and then we will find a supine pigeon pose, crossing the right ankle on top of the left knee, holding here if you feel a deep stretch. Otherwise, you can interlace the fingers around the top of your left knee and then draw both of your knees close to your body. Getting a stretch in the right hip, releasing any tension in the low back. Relaxing your facial muscles, the jaw, the cheeks, and then placing the top foot down, just finding a gentle supine twist. One more deep breath here. Now uncrossing the top foot and switching sides, So crossing the left ankle on top of the right knee, holding here if that feels deep enough. Or bring the right heel closer towards the glutes. Maybe interlacing the hands behind the back of the knee and repeating the same variation. Taking a deep inhale here, and as you exhale, finding a gentle twist, dropping the left foot down. Now coming back to the center and crossing the left foot. And then as you are ready, extending both of your legs straight out in front of you. Allowing the arms to rest along sides of your body with the palms facing up. Preparing for our final resting pose, shavasana. Allowing the body and the mind to fully rest. Feeling your body grow heavier. Sinking deeply into the bed. The support beneath you. And feel free to stay here for as long as you'd like. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.